Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are like me and think that the OneDrive look and feel is needing a bit of a revamp and an upgrade, then Microsoft recently, on the 31st of January, announced that OneDrive is getting a new look for personal use. Now, as I mentioned last year, they rolled out a new look and feel to 365 subscribers. But the difference here, obviously, is this is now for personal use, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. And with this announcement, Microsoft has said that basically it's both a visual and functional upgrade that's designed to help you get to your files quickly and keep your content organized in multiple ways without you having to do any organizing. And they also mentioned that the new features and upgraded design make it faster to get to all your personal and shared files in OneDrive. And if you're not seeing this as yet, they do say that all the changes will be available to all customers by the end of February. So obviously we're on the first day in my region. So by the end of this month, we should start seeing these changes rolling out to all personal users. Now, just to break this down as to the new look and feel. First of all, we get a people view. And yeah, you can see the new view organizes files by the people obviously that you collaborate with and obviously that you deal with on a day-to-day basis. And then you get filtering by type, which is the next kind of new feature. And basically, yeah, you can see that single-click filtering helps you to find the content basically you need, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. But I'm seeing a lot of Google Drive filtering over into this new look and feel. And then we've got a new add new button. So a new add new button. And yeah, once again, a lot of Google Drive with the options available there. And just to break this down a little bit in depth, so this means that over and above being able to upload new files to your OneDrive account, the button then can also let you create a new document like a Word, Excel, spreadsheet, and so on. So I'm catching a lot of Google Drive coming across from these screenshots that were released from that announcement. And then head into the last image. You can also view all the commands you can access on a specific file or folder, like as we can see, delete, move to, copy, download, rename, and so on, which I also think is a nice move. And as mentioned, if you're not seeing any of these new changes as yet, this was only announced yesterday in my region on the 31st of January. And Microsoft says, though, that it should become generally available for all personal users before the end of this month, February 2024. And then obviously, if I do see these changes roll out in my region to OneDrive, obviously I'll post and give you a real-time update. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.